Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. So these are some of the 2025 models I have found till date, and I will be making the video soon for each of them. But let's just look into these. So the two moving parts, one of them is the Jeep Grand Cherokee, and it's a highway patrol vehicle or national parks, I think. Yeah, it's national parks. So this is the one. The other one I found from Matchbox is the 2024 Mustang. It's the regular Mustang, not a special like GTD or Dark Horse. Next, I found this MX-5 Miata. It's from Legend Tour. So somebody actually made this car, and Hot Wheels made a model of that. Pretty cool, huh? Then I found this another Mustang. Again, it's from Hot Wheels. It's the Mustang GTD. So track version of the Mustang. And last but not least, I found this Buick Riviera. It's new for 2025 too. I'll be making videos for all of them very soon and reposting them. Thank you.